Hi guys, so I have lost the footage of my 3 hauls. I cannot find it, so I can't refilm the whole thing because obviously I'd already opened things and talked as I was talking about them, and there was a whole lot of stuff there that was just repeat. So I thought, okay, let's just quickly go back over some of the new stuff that I got in from both orders. So there was 3 orders. There was 2 Young Living. One was my February order, which I was holding because it was quite small, and then I've got my March Young Living order, which had some new stuff in it, and I've got my Mary Kay order, which has also got some new stuff in it. So I am really gutted. I think my computer is on its last legs, damn you Mac, but it is really old, and for some reason something just keeps failing and it's losing power. And my phone is doing weird things too. There is some strange stuff going on in this house at the moment. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, let's quickly go over some of the things that I did get in those orders that was new, because I'm really interested to know your opinions. Phone is going to be annoying, so we'll take it off. So, something that I did get, which isn't new, that I've had before, but I haven't had them for a long time, is obviously the Mary Kay cleansing cloths. I love these things because I've been doing a lot of traveling lately. I love cleansing cloths because they're really easy, and what I love about these ones is that they're dry. So when you open the packet, you're not drying them out constantly. When you buy wet wipes and things like that, every time you open the packet, the air starts to get into them and they don't get as good. These ones are dry, and you actually, if you have never used them before, what you do is you take out the cloth, you wet it under the tap, and then you rub it all up and it starts to foam with the cleanser. Now the wipes are actually textured as well, so they help to slightly exfoliate. So when I'm traveling, obviously, rather than always taking heavy bottles of cleanser and stuff, particularly if I'm just taking a carry-on bag, then I want to keep the weight down. These are fantastic because you can just pull out a couple and put them in a little plastic bag to keep them clean, and then of course you can chuck them away when you're finished. So these are really good, and I'm really excited to have these back in my kit again. So the other Mary Kay things that I got was, I got 2 lipsticks. So one I had already opened before I did the video, and it's what I'm wearing today. It is Rosewood. It is a beautiful color. Really love it. It looks like this. It's probably looking a little bit pinker than it is on camera. But what I'm wearing today, it's just a really beautiful natural pinky nude color. It's quite neutral looking, and it was a freebie, so I did dive into the box when it arrived to get this out. And I can't remember what you had to buy, but you had to buy some things, including another lipstick, and you got this free. So the lipstick that I bought was Tranquil Toffee, and I bought this because I love the old Toffee lipstick, and I was wondering if this one is going to be the similar color. So let me know, if you remember the old Toffee lipstick? This is the new Tranquil Toffee. Are they similar? Because I don't want to be using this yet until I've used up the old one. It's naughty of me to have bought some lipsticks because if you've seen some of my recent videos, I'm trying to declutter, and my lipstick collection is one of the ones that I'm working on at the moment. So I've got a whole lot of lipsticks in there that are nearly finished, but couldn't help myself. I did get 2 lippies. Oops. The other things that I got was the perfume. So I got the 3 new perfumes. They look like this. So I'm really excited to have these. Unfortunately, perfumes are really hard to describe. But we've got here, the first one is called Love Fearlessly. So these are all part of the new Fearless campaign that they've been doing. So it looks like this. It's a beautiful bottle. Then we've got Dream Fearlessly, which is the green one. And that looks like this. And then we've got Live Fearlessly. So interesting, all the bottles are, the boxes are different sizes, but the perfume bottles are all the same size. They're all 50 ml. So this one is Live Fearlessly. So if I can hold them all up without dropping them. The lids are all slightly different, which is obviously why the boxes are different sizes. So they're all perfumes, and they're all 50 ml. So if you're interested, I will do a video on these and try and describe to the best of my ability the differences between the 3. I'm really looking forward to trying them. yeah, and I just think it's awesome to have 3 new perfumes, because definitely I know my Mary Kay perfume collection was overdue for a bit of an overhaul. So really excited to have those. And then the other new things that I got was I've nearly finished my tone correcting serum, which I've absolutely loved, and I'm going to do a video on that and how it's worked for me. But they had a great deal last month where you could get, if you purchased the Replenishing C Serum, you got some of these new activating vitamin C squares. So I'm a little bit behind the game on trying these, but I was really excited to give them a go. So I've got this and I've got these. These weren't quite what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but there's 12 in each pack. So I need to do some research on what I'm supposed to be doing with these. They look interesting to use. Have you guys tried them? Or do you want me to do a video on me using them? You know, tell me, what do you think about these? Have you tried them? Are they complicated to use? Do you see the results in your skin really fast? What were your results? So I'm really curious to know what you think of these, or if you have never tried them before. And do you want me to do a video on them? So let me know in the comments below. But, oh, and then my Young Living order, I got 3 new things. So I got Inner Child. So it has been opened now, because obviously I opened it in the original filming of the video. So this one is a 5 ml bottle. It smells floral, it's sweet, it's not as sickly florally as some of the others, so I'm really looking forward to having a read up on how to use this. I think from memory I got this because it was really calming, very good at relaxing, and I'm all about that at the moment. Trying to relieve anxiety and stress and just creating a calming home. So I bought that one to see how I go with that. And then the other one I bought was Dragon Time, which is a 15 ml bottle. This one is for balancing your hormones, I think. So I'm really curious to try that. I'm actually doing a course at the moment, which I'll talk about in just a second. So I'm really curious to try this one. It didn't smell particularly pleasant. So it smells very planty is probably the best word I can describe. And then I got the Comfort Cleanse tablets. So these are for digestion, just helping to, it says here, high-powered herbal formula that supports normal digestive and colon function. So obviously help clean you out, I guess. I don't know, help you digest food better. So I'm really interested to try these. What I'm doing is I'm actually doing an online course through a naturopath, and she helps women who have stressful lives. A lot of them are in high-powered executive jobs. Some of them aren't. Some of them are just mums that have got really busy lifestyles, and it's about healing your body through the gut and your adrenal glands and things like that, because as you get stressed, stress and hormones are a lot of what factors in weight gain, tiredness, all those sorts of things that, you know, women are busy people, we multitask a lot. So anyway, her course is about helping to balance that back out. It's about healing your adrenal glands, relieving the stress, promoting better sleep, healthy gut, changing the things that aren't good for you. One instant is not to drink coffee when you first wake up in the mornings, and having that caffeine hit. You know, so many of us now rely on coffee to get us going in the mornings. I know I do. It was the first thing that I would do when I get up in the morning, is get a cup of coffee, and then I'd get to work and have some more coffee, and you just, you know, you feel like you need that coffee to wake you up and get you going. And one of the things of this course that I've learned, no, you shouldn't be doing that. Your body needs nutrition to wake it up, and gentle on the stomach and things, so you have a smoothie within 20 minutes of waking up, and that gives your body the correct nutrition to get it up and awake and get going. So so far it's been a really good course, and I'm doing it slowly. I don't want to be rushing in and changing a whole lot of things. I've just put, no, enough is enough. Just want a simple lifestyle to promote health and balance, and yeah, just eat what I want when I want, but just concentrate on feeding your body with good nutritional food, so that when you are stressed, things don't get really bad. So hence why I got the tablets. We'll see how I go with those. So anyway, that's it for my hauls. So sorry the first video didn't work out. I don't know what's going on. I can see a new computer purchase coming soon, but I don't want to be doing it just yet. So hopefully I might be able to fix the computer in the meantime. But that was a very brief overview of the stuff that I got in my orders. Hope you're having a great time. I'm back into my regular schedule. I had a great trip away and I'm really looking forward to getting back to normal and getting some videos done and some training videos. So if you have any suggestions for training videos that you would like to see that might help you in your business, or help with just motivation in life in general, then let me know, because I love chatting with you guys. But in the meantime, I will carry on and I'll talk to you all again really soon. Thanks guys, bye.